Very good question. So we have plans with our company from business owners, standard brick and mortar, from 100 employees down to the home-based business professional. I honestly have a huge passion for the home-based business professional because I like to call those folks chucks on the trucks. They're basically working on that HVAC system, banging away at those nails as a roofer, asphalter. They don't have time to make sure their legal rights are protected. A lot of times they're busy doing their jobs. They don't have time to make sure that somebody pays them on time. Through our service, we have a debt collection service that's able to collect on money, especially when it goes past 30, 60, 90 days into the accounts receivables, instead of them wasting their time texting, emailing, harassing customers for that money that's duly righted owed to them.
So at that point, you step in and you help them collect those funds.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Our lawyers will send a debt collection letter on their behalf.
Interesting. So one of the things that you mentioned to me outside earlier when we were talking, I thought this was fascinating. You're effectively a quarterback, for lack of a better term,
Absolutely.
for clients who are looking for legal help, but
Absolutely.
may not have the awareness or the wherewithal to find